The reunition of. Well, guys, it is it's Saturday. It's 2. We slept in way late, as always. But we broke our finale. We broke our finale. We broke our record. Broke our finale. This is it.
We broke the finale.
We're packing up. We're packing up right now, and
I stink.
I
smell like
so stank. Must leave. On the road again.
So stank. Must leave.
On the road again.
Should put that in. Well, anyway, we're packing up right now in our room, and we're crying because we have to leave the nice beach weather.
Eventually.
So we are all completely packed up. Just all our stuff is, you know, kind of condensed and stuff. And that's just from our sponsors.
12 seconds later.
So we're going to get a bite to eat.
Yeah.
And what's the next part? You're what? Vegan. You're vegan. Are you serious? I'm about as serious as Bush did 9/11. Oh yeah. So we're at Jack in the Box.
Grandpa.
Hey, Grandpa.
I was like, hey, Grandpa.
Hi, how are you doing today?
So we're here at Jack in the Box. We're gonna get some food.
You want the combo? You want medium or large?
Medium.
To go.
Okay. You gonna finish that croissant?
Yep, I am. Yummy.
Croissant. Mustard.
Croissant.
20 minutes later.
We got put on a garbage duty. John's persona. So yeah, we're really setting off now. Probably a couple minutes. And it's a long car ride home, Hakay. Rambo, you're not gonna eat another food. You're not gonna, no burrito, no burger, no nothing. So it's the 8th day, and I will be starting and finishing the 3rd day going home of editing. So we just got the trailer doohickey hooked up to the dinghy. I eat corn. So Rambo's trying to escape from prison. Oh, those scenarios are totally unrelatable. Just locked her up. Good work. I just threw dirt in my mouth. Well, we are leaving Pismo Sands. It's not even a seagull. It looks kind of like a hawk or a falcon. We go back to the hot and disgusting Portugal. Yeah, it's disgusting. That's it. Saw. John? Trailer. Park. Saw. Trailer. Saw, dude. Saw. Cardinal. Saw. I didn't see it. We just hit a bird.
Yeah. And that, kids, is the cycle of life. Step 1, kill a bird.
Step 2, give food to ants and vultures.
Step 3.
Step 3, become vegan.
Step 4,
And
die
then
of
step-
vitamin deficiency.
Step 4, die of vitamin deficiency, and then in the afterlife, be a feminist.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Well, we're back in hell. It went from a cool 65 and windy to no wind, no clouds, and the burning hot sun on us and almost 100 degrees, so. But we're here.
It's fixed.
Really?
Yeah, it's fixed.
Now we're gonna unpack everything, and I'm gonna head home, play my bell. I've been waiting all week. It literally came before we left on last Saturday, but I didn't know that, so. Elaine, it's cold. It's too cold here. Shadow! Oh, he's so excited. Come here. He's scared of you. He's so excited that he's scared of you.
Well,
Hey, Shadow! Someone is really excited here. The reunition of. I can't talk. Oh man, a whole week, whole 8 days. I missed you too, even though I'm kind of I hate you. Well, sadly, this weekend, this vlog is coming to an end. If you've noticed that I filmed a good majority of it, it's because I'm more in I do a lot of stuff on this channel, but Jake's tried to take over a little bit, make it even. But I've been doing YouTube for a while with various channels, which you should not look up and try to find. But I'm gonna go home, say hi to my parents, grab my bell, come back, help them unpack, and play the bell for the first time. Well, that's definitely changed since last time. You got a fountain. You got
Are you taping?
Yeah.
Oh, hi!
So I'm gonna open my bell right now. Oh my gosh. Woo! First sound of the Zill bell. Ooh! I was happy.
He's probably gonna pee.
Hey, buddy.
John.
Hey, buddy.
He's peeing.
It's okay.
No, it isn't.
I don't care.
That's gross.
Okay, let's go in.
Hi. Oh, God.
Okay. That's like a Tootsie Roll, man. I can't wait to play it.
It's good.
Try it. I think it's like that.
Oh my god, they're everywhere.
Well, guys, this has been quite a week.
Yeah, bro.
It's been
Good having
crazy.
you.
And we brought you along for the ride as well. The camera's gonna die, but we just want to say, love you guys. Thank you so much for watching.
I don't mind if you're overrated, or if you're staring at the edge of the world. Keep in mind that I'm a soul of blurry vision, but I could see, yeah, it has to be enough. I've been dreaming of, and if we climb this high, I swear we'll never die.
Are you ready to get Jack in the box?
That didn't sound good.
Box.
You ready to get
in the
Jack?
Are you ready to box the Jack or Jack? Are
I'm ready to in the box, Jack.
Jack?
I'm ready to Jack.
Jock?
I'm ready to jock in the jack.
Are you ready
in a box.
Jack off in the jack box.